Nobody really talks about what goes on in your head when everything looks fine on the outside. You show up, you smile, you act normal, but inside, it's loud. And that's what this ride is about. There's something I figured out riding about mental struggles that I didn't understand when I was going through it. Riding a motorcycle does something strange to your thoughts. It strips everything down. No notifications, no noise, no distractions, just you, the road, and whatever's been sitting in the back of your mind. There was a time in my life where things got heavy in the way that most people couldn't see. Not loud, not obvious. Just constant stress, anxiety, thoughts that didn't shut off. If you've ever dealt with PTSD or anything like it, you already know. The strange part about it is how invisible it is. People go to work, laugh, joke, they post normal pictures, and at the same time, they're fighting something that nobody else can see. Riding through places like this, you start to notice something. Rough streets, worn down buildings. But life keeps going. People are still here, still moving. And honestly, sometimes that's what strength looks like. Not some big moment, just continuing. Motorcycles didn't fix anything for me. They didn't erase the past. But they gave me something that I didn't have before. Space. Because when you're on a bike, you can't really run from your thoughts. They catch up to you. Sometimes that's uncomfortable, but sometimes it's exactly what you need. There were rides where I got home and nothing felt better. I came home to the same problems, same weight. But one thing changed. I moved. And sometimes movement is enough for that day. One of the hardest parts isn't always the struggle itself, it's the isolation. That voice that tells you you're the only one. That something's wrong with you. That nobody else feels this way. But that voice lies. If you're watching this right now and things feel heavier than they should, I need you to hear this. You're not alone. Not even close. There are more people out here fighting their way through life than you think. Some ride, some lift weights. Some just try to make it through the day. But they're still moving. And if you're struggling, talk to someone. It doesn't have to be big, just start somewhere. A friend, a family member, a counselor, anybody you trust. And if you're in the United States and you feel like things are getting overwhelmed, you can call or text 988. That connects you to the Suicide Crisis Lifeline. It's free, it's confidential, and there are real people there who actually want to listen. And for my fellow veterans out there, there's also the Veterans Crisis Line. You can call 988 and press 1 or text 838-255. That connects you with people who understand the military side of things and the kinds of experiences that come with that. You don't have to carry everything by yourself. Because even when it feels like everything's standing still, it's not. There's still road ahead. And if you're still here, you're still moving.
ask life for much anymore. Used to want it all, now I ain't keeping score. Just a little silence in my restless mind. Somewhere I can sit, leave the chaos behind. I've been carrying weight that don't make a sound. Smile on my face while I'm breaking down. Hidden tears fall when nobody sees. Fighting battles on my own, down on both knees. Cause I whisper to the dark at night. Not asking to die, just to feel alright. Just a little peace I can finally hold. Close enough to touch this broken soul. Without making noise, turn pain into calm, turn fear into poise. Every scar got a story I don't replay. Just another ghost that I carry each day. People walk by, never read the signs. Never see the war running through my mind. I ain't looking for pity, don't need to be saved. Just trying to breathe through the mess I made. Times I'm whispered to the dark at night. Not asking for death, just a little light. Just a moment where the weight lets go. Close enough to touch, but I'll never know. I keep moving even when it aches. Learn to live with the cracks I can't replace. Every breath I take, it feels rehearsed. Like I'm holding together what's already burst. But I'm still here, yeah, I'm still standing. Even if the peace feels out of my hands. And if it don't come, I'll make my way through. Learn to live with the pain like I always do. I don't ask life for much anymore. Just a little silence. Just a little peace. Close enough to touch.